When multiple ovulations occur in a single estrus and the resulting oocytes are fertilized by sperm from different males, the phenomenon is termed superfetation, superfecundation, polyovulation, heteropaternity. And the correct answer is superfecundation. An estrus cycle lasting approximately 14 to 16 weeks is characteristic of which species? Cow, mare, elephant, sow. And the correct answer is option C, that is elephant. Which hormone predominates during the follicular phase of the estrus cycle? Progesterone, estradiol, luteinizing hormone, prostaglandin F2 alpha. And the correct answer is option B, that is estradiol. Which hypothalamic center is responsible for basal pulsatile secretion of GnRH throughout the estrus cycle? Pre-ovulatory GnRH center, Surge center, tonic GnRH center, median eminence. And the correct answer is option C, that is tonic GnRH center. The term estrus is etymologically derived from a Greek word originally meaning heat or fertility, reproductive cycle, gadfly or frenzy, ovulation period. And the correct answer is option C, that is gadfly or frenzy. In the non-pregnant domestic bitch, an estrus constitutes the longest phase of the estrus cycle. Its usual duration is approximately 5 weeks, 10 weeks, 15 weeks, 20 weeks. And the correct answer is option D, that is 20 weeks. Which factor has a significant influence on the age at attainment of puberty in both male and female animals? Breed or genetics, sex ratio, gestation length, litter size. And the correct answer is option A, that is breed or genetics. Which statement correctly describes hypothalamic GnRH centers in male animals? Only the Surge center is present. Only the tonic center is present. GnRH secretion is absent. Surge and tonic both centers are present. And the correct answer is option B, that is only the tonic center is present. Sheep initiates estrus cycle in response to which photoperiodic condition? By increasing the day length, long day length, short day length, constant day length. And the correct answer is option C, that is short day length. Which species exhibits the shortest estrous cycle length among the following? Cow, mare, elephant, rodent. And the correct answer is option D, that is rodent. Which of the following species is a long day breeder initiating estrous cycles as day length increases? Eve, mare, cow, doe, or goat? And the correct answer is option B, that is mare. Which hormone predominates during the luteal phase of the estrous cycle? Progesterone, estradiol, luteinizing hormone, prostaglandin F2 alpha. And the correct answer is option A, that is progesterone. Which of the following animals is correctly classified as polyestrous? Eve, mare, cow, doe, or goat? And the correct answer is option C, that is cow. Presence of a single estrous cycle annually is a defining reproductive feature of which animal? Eve, mare, cow, bitch. And the correct answer is option D, that is bitch. During the estrous cycle, the follicular phase is comparatively short. Approximately what proportion of the cycle does it occupy? 10%, 20%, 50%, 80%? And the correct answer is option B, that is 20%. Following luteolysis, the estrous cycle enters the follicular phase. This phase terminates with formation of corpus luteum, decline in progesterone, ovulation, prostaglandin release. And the correct answer is option C, that is ovulation. Regression of the corpus luteum or luteolysis in most mammals is mediated primarily by which hormone? Progesterone, estradiol, oxytocin, prostaglandin F2 alpha. And the correct answer is option D, that is prostaglandin F2 alpha. During the estrous cycle, proestrus is a short transitional phase. In most species, it typically lasts less than 24 hours, 2 to 5 days, 7 to 10 days, more than 2 weeks. And the correct answer is option B, that is 2 to 5 days. Immediately after ovulation, the ovary enters met estrus. This phase is primarily characterized by luteolysis, ovulatory surge, corpus luteum formation, follicular maturation. And the correct answer is option C, that is corpus luteum formation. The onset of MET stress is endocrinologically defined by the beginning of secretion of prostaglandin F2 alpha, progesterone, estrone, estradiol. And the correct answer is option B, that is progesterone. During estrus, a characteristic mating posture involving arching of the back is observed. This posture is known as lordosis, kyphosis, scoliosis, laxity. And the correct answer is option A, that is lordosis. In most large mammals, diestrus represents a prolonged luteal phase. Its usual duration is approximately 2 to 5 days, 5 to 7 days, 10 to 14 days, 20 to 25 days. And the correct answer is option C, that is 10 to 14 days. Unlike most mammals, the domestic bitch exhibits a unique estrus cycle sequence. Which of the following correctly represents this sequence? Proestrus, estrus, metaestrus, diestrus. Estrus, metaestrus, diestrus, anestrus. Anestrus, proestrus, estrus, and diestrus. Proestrus, estrus, diestrus, anestrus. And the correct answer is option C, that is anestrus, proestrus, estrus, and then diestrus. The prolonged anestrus in the domestic bitch primarily explains why this species is classified as monoestrus, polyestrus, seasonally polyestrus, induced ovulator. And the correct answer is option A, that is monoestrus. During the estrus cycle of the bitch, proestrus is relatively short and usually lasts about 3 days, 5 days, 9 days, 14 days. And the correct answer is option C, that is 9 days.